Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar broke lower on Friday and printed a low of 77.32 and very close near to the objective of 76.50 to 77.20 with the first target nearly claimed. On the day, I do expect to see a slight impulse to the upside, but any advances towards the 78.30 resistance is seen as an opportunity to add short or reshort the currency, as I expect to see further down test with the immediate target holding at 77.55. It is viewed from a broader picture that the target will remain at 76.50 to 77.20, and the reason behind this is the fact that the US dollar on Friday did stage quite a significant rally after the US released the September's non-farm jobs report, which showed that the economy lost 33,000 jobs instead of adding 82,000. With the dollar shrugging off that number, the close on Friday of 93.50 does give further confirmation that the market can rally on to an objective now of 96 to 97. This in turn will see the euro take out the supports all the way down to the 116 level and could even look towards the 115 region. One thing to note is that we did get a new low on Friday, and that came in at 116.68 after taking the 116.85 support out. So any rallies, I'm looking to sell in towards that 117.80-90 level, and as I mentioned, I do expect to see further weakness into this week. Well, the dollar yen once again fails at that 113 handle, and most probably the market is still short, purely for the fact is that we are breaking down further from a technical point, and also the fact that the geopolitical risks with North Korea and US may heat up further this week. Now, my strategy for dollar yen is to buy on dips, so towards 111.60 is where I expect to see the market rebound. However, keep stops very tight, as a break beneath there would give further scope towards an objective of 110.90 to 95. Well, the pound was the most softest major currency on Friday after plummeting towards the low 130 region. At this point, I'm a buyer on dips from either 129.80 or from the minor resistance support, at 130.20. But a break beneath 129.80 would leave me neutral, and I'd rather sit on the sidelines and assess where the next trend is going to go. To me, I feel the market will be bullish, purely for the fact is we are oversold. The indicators are looking potentially to a turnaround, so we could see a further rise. Now, a break above 130, figure 15, would give that impulse towards the next target around that 130.90 level. The gold plummeted on Friday, but rebounded strong from that 1,260 level. I am bullish for gold this week, and I do expect to see further rallies if we see a break above 83, as this would give a target of 94. Any pullback should see support underneath the 72 minor and firmer, either from 67 or down towards that 58.60 established base. The silver plunged briefly on Friday, however, finding the support zone around 16.15.35 rebounded and took out the resistance of 16.18.90. I feel from the break could give further indications or implications that we are looking towards $17.2025 and reassess from there. From the technical point, you can clearly see that we are breaking clearly to the upside. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market will remain underneath a microscope this week after it plunged on Friday, and now looks towards a target of $47.65 with the immediate target of $48.80. Resistance on the top side should cap around $50.70 and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful new start to the week.